way and applies all like a part of the nails. I'm gonna do it right on half of the nails and just make it a V shape. Make sure you apply it enough so then that's why it will not be missing any spot at all. Okay. Here for 30 seconds. Oh, thanks so much, Yes Nail USA. Thank you from YouTube. Hello, everyone on Facebook and Instagram. Hope you all have a fabulous day. If you feel this video, if you know the videos is gonna be helpful and you know your bestie, your friends are looking for some really simple, quick, easy tutorials, please feel free to share it with them. That will be awesome, so then we can all learn together. So 30 seconds is up. I am going to using this beautiful, looks a more animal pencil. And we are going to apply it right there. You can see that how it's separated, it's released and it's removed really beautiful already. Perfect. I'm not worried about this because we want to put crystal on and I just want to be a V shape right here. So moving on the crystal placements. I did some fun crystal placements for you. Here the condensed glue gel, if you are having a really hard time or your crystal is not staying on, the condensed glue gel is going to be your bestie for crystal placement. So I'm gonna need just a little bit of a crystal of condensed glue gels and applies it all inside the nails. You can do it right on where you are going to apply your crystal. However, if just in case you need to add some more, you want to able to have some more and enough condensed glue gel. You don't want to be too thick. You also don't want to be too thin because too thin is gonna, the crystal is not gonna adhere properly. Too thick is gonna float it on your crystal. So I'm gonna add no wipe top coat floating on the top of the unclear condensed glue gels. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Fridays. Hope you all have a fabulous Friday. So floating on the top, and then we're gonna add some gorgeous crystal placement. So then with this crystal placement, a lot of you were asking is how to start with the crystal placement. It's really simple. It's only you need to do is to add the centerpiece first. In this beautiful designs, my centerpiece is the heart shape, the neon yellow heart shape. And then I add the drop, perfect drop in blue colors in a second. And this is the centerpiece. And then you also can get like your frame and your is smaller SS crystals. And you can also add it on. But then make sure that you get it somewhere really close and tight to each other and tight with the centerpiece. So then that way they are going to connects as a link and it stays so much longer, lasts longer, like unbreakable. All right, so I'm gonna continue, edit it on. I love this kits because it's getting really is paired so well together. I'm going to add some beads and some frame. I'm going to add some extra beads on this one. If you don't want any beads on, you can definitely key it and apply the precision glue gels and you're good to go. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in, for stopping by. And welcome to Glitz Subscription such live tutorials. I feel so quiet. Hey, you there?
I'm here.
Can you make sure that I don't miss any comment, please? Thank you.
Everybody's just saying hello.
Hey, hello everyone. I'm so into this now, so like I will look at the comment just a little bit, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask. And if you can't thinking of what you want to ask, don't worry, you can always DM us later. Our team will definitely happy to assist you. I really like that. Gonna have some of my SS. I'm gonna using SS3, SS4, SS6, SS8, SS10, SS12, and SS16 to have it added on. Couple more. Hope everyone have a fabulous Friday.
Yep. So, Mr. Get It Straight, if you want 740, well, actually the 40 is on sale right now. You can get up to 20% off on those. Go for it.
Ah, that's awesome. You mean the 40 gel? Yes, the 40 gels at the bomb. I love that, working with that 40 gel. You will never go wrong with the 40 gels. And don't forget to check out a lot of videos. I got an opportunity to share like it's 100 of videos that we had with 40 gels. All right, so if you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. So the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to set until you are going to cure. So if you feel like you want to adjusting or need to changing anything, change your minds or any designs you want, you definitely can adjusting it first before you are going to cure. All right, so I think I am good. I'm going to go ahead and cure for 60 seconds.